Ford F-150 is a full-size pickup truck that has been a staple of the American automotive landscape for decades. It is one of the most popular vehicles on the market, and for good reason. The F-150 is a reliable and capable truck that offers a variety of features and options to suit any need. The price of the Ford F-150 varies depending on the trim level and options chosen. The base model starts at around $30,000, while the top-of-the-line models can cost upwards of $60,000. The exterior of the Ford F-150 is rugged and stylish. It features a bold grille, muscular body lines, and a variety of wheel options. The interior is comfortable and well-appointed, with plenty of storage space and a variety of tech features. The engine of the Ford F-150 is powerful and efficient. It is available with a variety of engine options, including a 3.3L V6, a 2.7L EcoBoost V6, and a 5.0L V8. All engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The Ford F-150 has been in production since 1975 and has gone through several generations. The first generation 1975-1986 was a basic, no-frills truck. The second generation 1987-1996 was more refined and offered more features. The third generation 1997-2003 was the first to offer a Super Crew cab option. The fourth generation 2004-2008 was the first to offer a diesel engine option. The fifth generation 2009-2014 was the first to offer an EcoBoost engine option. The sixth generation 2015 present is the most advanced and offers a variety of features.